Our Lord General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi himself namhlanje uyanyanzeleka into yoba avukele achabashele ukuyosabela ngoba ingathi izolo apha bokune tension inyana between i-taxi association kwaDukuza plus iMaphumula and into yakhona ingathi ifaka nezibhamu apho nema cartridges nje so ke wabakhona nje i-meeting nyana i-caucus meeting nyana nje apho yabakhomba ngomno ke phofu wathi ndizeke ndive nje into yoba kukhona itaxi okanye umuntu apha oye wavimba umuntu ba aqabela into akafuna ukuyiqabela ngemali yakhe. Uba ngaba abantu bafuna uqabela even i-private cars bafuna ukuliftwa zi-private cars ngemali zabo akho umuntu nje akalindele into ba makabe uzavinjwa kulonto le aw else uzambopha yena. Sisathetha kwangayo ikwaDukuza lena ndazi banenzani ninapha kwaDukuza ngoba nayizolo ku-ad-hoc committee ndichilo mosuba on my previous post kunendoda ibikhona phayana uSamkelo Mlotshwa onezitsholo against uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi bavela bebathathu ke phofu kula genge le ekanengi nizayikhumbula yeke yamentionwa nanguKhethi Matlala apho babebanjwe khona bebanjelwa ukukidnapper umuntu so ubaliseka istory esoba bathi bebanjwe njalo bake bathathwa basiwe ngathi efamini ethile bafika ba torture apho suffocatewa ngama plastic uthe xa ke thuthi ayibona uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wabe ekhona apho engomnye wabantu babe participate kulonto leyo waze wabuza into yoba ungabuya uyamazi bangibani lo wathi yena uyamazi in a way of ukuxelela even the other one wayehamba naye lo wayetorturwa naye into yoba uyamazi nguGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi oyi-provincial commissioner yase KZN owayeke waba acting national commissioner phako 2011 so mazi kahle umbone ngeliso lenyama zadlalwa ke mosi nditshilo ezo videos kaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi nje ezithu but those videos apho participate on anything video nje in a way I don't really see much of irrelevance but what he was trying to show members of i-ad-hoc because A1 uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ndiyayikhumbula ndinayo nami on my previous ingekathethi nokuthetha uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi ku-ad-hoc committee okanye kuMadlanga commission because ndithande ukuposta nje into zakhe way before so waye-interviewer apho so kwakhona lapho ethetha khona lento yoba kukhona nalapho ngathi bafuna ukumtshola ngecase ethile so akho nto engabitheni nje xa ndiyimamela laa nto leyana so according to yena it's more of lo case leyo wayethetha ngayo uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi yiyo le eyena ayakathetha ngayo so ngulo Mlotshwa lo then the other one it had something to do with uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi esitsho sithi hayi ngebhadi nendlu yakhe uMlotshwa lo yatshiswa bengekafumana ezinye ze-evidence nani so ezama ukuthi into yoba akakwazi ukutsho njalo uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kukuthi indlu yakhe according to yena usoli uba yatshiswa ngamapolisa ke nje into engathi njalo so lo Mlotshwa lo hayibo ndamthanda uSikhosana weza ne-affidavit apha le affidavit yini okwenza nekwaDukuza because xa kembuza ubumbona into yoba ingathi ufuna khanyela nje kancinci lo Mlotshwa but yaya ndisekho sure ke ndizanikorekisha i-affidavit okanye statement but nje whatever kayenzile and wayenza I think under oath because inestamp sase-police station kwaDukuza and ngengoku ithi lento xa kembuza izinto ngxamela uSikhosana engekagqibi according to yena into ebhalwe phako sa statement ingamanga mayingakholeleka because zizinto akazibhala under i-duress meaning waye under stress under ukoyika because wayesoyika into yoba basengaphinde bamtorturishe wabhala nje lonto bona babefuna bengamapolisa befuna into bayibhala so uye watsho nje into ezinjalo hayibo bafethu ndazithanda ezinye ze-MP zathi yintoni into kwenza ubucinga into wathina sizathemba wona over uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthe wathi hayi andithi nithembe mna ndinixelela nje le nto mne ndifuna ukunixelela yona kwathi okay uyamazi uFadel Adams wathi since kukhona engathi ne-correspondence nyana akake waba nayo noFadel Adams nini ndeke wadla uzavela lapha ku-social media engumuntu nje uzama ukuzitsho ezitsholo zikaGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi before ezo-appear apha ku-ad-hoc committee phofu ke enabani Fadel Adams so nje wabuza into yoba xa hayi uFadel Adams umuntu owakuphusha okanye onegalelo lokuba wena uhambe uyovulelana noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi icase na amagama nje angathanjalo nje uwafa but nje yena nje noma bekeze enaye ithembe lithini anditsho futhi into obuyaxoka but nje as be-investigator nesemthembile uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uzazi azoziphendulela because kwenye yezi videos ezi kukhona apho esitsho khona uba nale case engathi utholwa ngayo okanye yona lena ke eyabo yoMlotshwa aba ayo case nyani yayikwi-jurisdiction yakhe ngaleyo ndlela in terms of reporting line ingathi yayi-under i-DPCI under ama-Hawks not necessarily under i-SAPS le yakho uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi so ngendlela kathethe ngayo nje so nje ndizama ukuthi uba hey ikwaDukuza ingathi sematheni. yeke lento eniyenzayo apho kwaDukuza bantu selilije xesha ningeseva nto ncam ngemtuba yami endiyithandayo. Kube khona nalapho ke yena umjida kanye lona umlotshwa ne apho ebuzwa khona into yoba ke ngoku akunazi ii-favors because sidila nomcimbi wamimigulukudwe infiltrate isipolisa sethu apha. So ii-favors engabe unyenzelele zona nalo Nengi, hayi yena uNembi wayengamazi and nokumazi kwakhe even ezo case engabe zithethwa ngoNengi ayo case engabe ziyaphatheka because uNengi akakaze abe uyasentenswa and ngaphezulu uNengi lowo ungumuntu ongathi ngisobhizinisi ke ngoku yena ebelipolisa okanye ulipolisa ndiva nje ncam into yakhe because ingathi akakabuyela emsebenzini since wayeke wabanjwa okanye ubuyela ndisiva ncam nje story sakuba currently is he working or is he not working as ipolisa ngoku but nje beke sesipoliseni ye kumabhoda edila nomcimbi wamabhoda. uNengi lo ke ngoku yena engumuntu ongathi onamatraka edila nge-cross border wathi yena futhi akho favors akazenzele uNengi kwathiwa njani ngoba ezinye iitraki ezizikanengi bezihlala kwakho. That is a favor on its own because it's not everyone ozaba nama-privilege ukuthi iitraka zakhe ziyogcinwa kwatata upolisa. So bebenawo nje kuvela nento yoba ke ngoyingathi bangama-business partners noNengi. uNengi ke phofu otsholwa ngoba u-kingpin
uma ngingathola ukuthi ukhona i-association ushayela nababalabona nokuba omisa imoto ngakweli athi akumelanga ukugibeleli fenanga ngetekisi akumelanga ukubelayishe fenanga ngetekisini akumelanga umuntu ukuthi manje ngayithola lomibili ngiyambopha lomuntu wenzenjalo ifuna i-security company. Leyo security company ngizoyikhokha mina ngikuvalele head office sithathe license yakhe. Ngizokhalela head office sithathe amabaya kanjalo. Sesibopha leyo security law inkampani yonke esizifana. Ukuthi isebenza nakwezinye indawo soyibona indawo sizoyivala. Umuntu wetekisi wasosiyeshini okwenza leyo makathi uhamele esinye association ukashwe association asinandaba noma unayitekisi makana netekisi leyo association siyawubhala lawo matekisi awazuhamba. Uma abantu association bekubona uhulumeni unamantombazana abashayela sukelana uhulumeni uzimubone amandla kakhulu